Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the LISEN Ultra Slim phone holder that I just received. So I already opened it up. So everything that comes in the package is two alcohol wipes. So if you want to put it on the windshield, you clean it off. It takes all the excessive dirt. Or if you want to put it on the dash, you also clean it off with one of the wipes. So this is the platform where you place the suction cup on if you want to place it on the dashboard. So this is 3M glue, so it would stick to the dash like that, and then you could put in the suction cup on top of the platform. Here this is the suction cup, so here that's the suction. So if you take off this sticker, you could see that is the suction, or you can place it there. Or if you don't want to use this and just place it on the windshield, you could do that too. So you could open this up two different ways. So this is one way if you want it facing that way. And then the other way, if you want it facing the other way, you could go like that. So it extends a little bit. It's also 360 degrees turnable, which is really, really nice. So you could set your phone up however you want. What else it comes with is this right here, just in case your phone is not Magsafe. You place this in the back of your phone case, and then it will connect to right here where your phone will stay stable and will not fall off, which is very important. If you want an online tutorial, you could scan this QR code. It'll give you an online tutorial about all these things, how to use it, how to set it up. And then this is just the user manual. Something about the suction cup that's very important is when you place it on the platform, you gotta turn this dial to the right, which will tighten it all the way. So that should be tightened if it was placed. And I'm gonna show you guys the magnet, how it works. See how my phone just goes on it. You could rotate it 360 degrees, whatever way you want. I'm gonna show you the other way you can have it up. It's the other way. You could place it sideways, however you like it. You could also turn this like that, which is very nice. Overall, if you want a nice car holder, I recommend this one.